Hey, seventh grade. So last week we were working on identifying and doing simple measures with angle pairs like this. And today we're going to continue with that. And your assignment for today is going to be going to W17 in the seventh grade IXL. And you need to send me a screenshot of your SMART score. Now, the SMART score over here is out of 100. I was just working on some of these and I only got to 95 SMART score because at that point then it would require me to write stuff down, and I'm not about that life at this moment. um, and some of those questions were beyond what I wanted you to do today. We will be getting into that kind of stuff very soon, but not today. So today what I want you to do is shoot for a SMART score of 80, because that is still within the type of questions that I want you to be answering. So the first kind of question is looking at this. What's the value of h? These are supplementary angles, and so supplementary angles add up to be 180. So if this one's 100, then this one is obviously 80. These are vertical angles, and vertical angles are congruent, which means they're the same. So if this one's 40, then that one's 40. Excellent. Great job, whatever. These are complementary angles, which means that they make a 90-degree corner. And so if this one is 60, then this one over here is 30. All right, great. Hopefully soon there'll be one like I want to show you. Hang on just a second. So this is a very interesting kind of question. The measure of an angle is 9 degrees. What's the measure of its supplementary angle? So this did not give us a picture, but you still know what these words means. If they're supplementary, then they add to be 180. So if one of them is 9, then the other one has to be 171 degrees, because together they need to be 180. This might say, instead of supplementary, it might say complementary. So you have to really read. All right, now this is the one I was wanting to talk about. These are adjacent angles, and their special relationship is just that they add up to be this entire angle. And that's all the specialness there is to it. So if this whole angle is 66 and this is 40, then angle Q is going to be 26. Awesome. All right. So here's another one of those. What's the measure of its complementary angle? Complementary angles make a 90-degree corner. So if together they make 90 and this one's 15, then its measure is 75. I'm going to step away from the screen now before it sucks me back in. Sorry, wrong one. So this one over here, this again is a supplementary angle. And I'm pretty sure I just did all the examples that I wanted to do. So I don't know why I'm back over here. But a supplementary angle, again, they'll add up to be 180 degrees. And so here we've got 120 plus x equals 180. And that pen is not working for me. So there we go. So if you add those two up, then they will add up to be 180. And so we can subtract 120 from both sides, and we will get x equals 60 degrees. All right, so sorry for this absolutely horrible handwriting, but I mean, that's really all I want you to do here. And so you can see with those 8 questions, we got up to a SMART score of 60. And so it's really just about understanding the relationship that these angles have. Now they do get a little bit more complex. No longer are they using numbers that end in 0. Now it's 29. Well, 29 and 51, that's not right. That makes 80. 29 and 61 makes 90 degrees. And then here again, 33, that's a weird number. And then there will also be decimals. I don't care if you guys use a calculator, because to me, it's more about you understanding the relationship of the numbers. So if you want to use a calculator, go for it. But here we are at 9 questions, and we're at a SMART score of 64. So I'm pretty sure you can get this done fairly quickly. One more time, I need a screenshot. So you can either use your snipping tool here, or you can use the screenshot button, which for every computer is different, and I'm not on my Chromebook right now. I'm actually on my college laptop. So whatever you're using, take a screenshot of it so that I can see your SMART score, and preferably your name too, which is where my little video person here is. So if I can see your name and your SMART score, then that will make me super duper extra happy, and a problem that shows me that you're actually in the right skill set there. All right, so go to work. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. If you have a question about a specific problem, then take a small snippet of that and send it to me in an email, and we can talk about why it's confusing you. All right, guys, you have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you tomorrow.